The National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning for the following regions: Cuyahoga County, Summit County, Geauga County, and Portage County, effective from 6 a.m. on July 18, 2011, until 8 p.m. on July 19, 2011. Extremely heavy rainfall within the past 48 hours has caused widespread flash flooding, with waters as high as 5 feet in some areas. At this time, you should take the following precautions. If you are in a low-lying or flood-prone area, head for higher ground immediately. Avoid driving, if at all possible, as many roadways are currently flooded. If you encounter high water and you cannot see the road, do not drive through it, as the water is often deeper than it looks. Remember that 1 foot of moving water can sweep a car off the road. Be safe. Turn around, don't drown.